Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make party packs for your party. A party is just not a party if there is no party packs. And party packs don't have to be boring and plain boxes or buckets. I will show you exactly how you can make them the showstopper of your party. This theme is the super popular theme Mermaids. And if you like to follow along and love the artwork, you can get this Mermaid birthday collection in my Etsy store. I have made it super easy for you by doing all the artwork designs. You just download the files, customize it with your kiddie's name and age, print it out, and you are good to go. If you would like me to make a video on how to edit and print the artwork, please leave a comment below. If you use your own home printer, I would suggest that you get good quality photo paper from your craft store or stationery supply store that will make sure that your prints will look professional. I'm using a Roland digital printer for all my party decor and props. It can print and cut out my artwork for me, and trust me, that makes life a lot easier if you are a party planner with loads of party packs to make. But don't stress, you can cut out your prints using scissors or a craft knife. You will see that I supply a set of artwork with a border around the clip art that is of white or beige. Use this border as your guide to cut out your prints. Don't be hasty, take your time and enjoy the process. I will also make a video on how to use the Brothers Scan and Cut for the printing and cutting out of labels. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. And make sure you subscribe and put your notifications on so that you don't miss when I am posting new videos. I prefer using a craft knife. It just gives me more control over the cut. But it's purely up to you. See what works for you. You can clean up your design afterwards by trimming little bits off that you didn't quite get to first time round. So like I've said, my printer has got the added features that it can print and cut out my designs for me, which makes it super easy for me, and it's a great time saver seeing that we do so many party packs every week. So what I'm doing here is I'm literally just popping out my artwork or my prints and I'm good to go. Okay, to put together your party pack, you are going to need a stapler, scissors. I use a little dark nail clippers that I've put masking tape on the edges. You'll see a little bit later why. And that is to make the bows. You need ribbon. You need your print that's been cut out, and you need some paper bags. You can buy that from your local party supply store. obviously now put your goodies inside there, all your sweeties. And then what I do is I fold it over, and taking your ribbon and putting it over the fold line, I staple the ribbon onto the bag. Then you run your ribbon down to the bottom part of the bag, let it overlap a little bit, snip it off, and glue it onto the base of the bag. You don't need to go all the way around because it's the facing side that's important, and the bag still looks pretty from the back, regardless if it's got a ribbon or not. So there you go, ribbon is on. Now you're going to put your cut out or your artwork or your print. You're going to stick that onto your party pack. Make sure you line it up so that it looks pretty. I put a blob of glue on either side of the ribbon. It just works for me. Go. It already looks stunning. This time of the afternoon we've got all the birds coming in to come sleep in our trees, so yeah, hence all the bird noises you hear outside. Okay, let's make the bow. This is, to me, the finishing part of a party pack, is to put a bow on. So, and it is so easy if you know how to do it. Like I say, I use the dark nail clippers, and I've put masking tape on the ends so that the ribbon doesn't slip off. You use your thumb to hold your ribbon, and then and it can be tricky sometimes, but be patient. Use your thumb and your forefinger, and you hold your ribbon and you wind it around 3 times, and then you snip off the ribbon, and then with your thumb of your other hand you hold everything in place on the one side, pop the ribbon through and over the top, and then you're going to tuck it in under like this and pull very, very hard until you get a nice tight knot. Then you release the other end and also pull it tight, and then you collapse your clippers. That is the beauty. That's why you need clippers that can have spring loaded, so you can release the bow. And we just let Barbie also check if we're doing it right. So you press the clippers to release the bow. It slips off easy, and you've got a perfect bow. Then fluff it out a bit. This is a double bow, and trust me, it comes out every time perfect if you do it this way. Trim the ends. You can put the V in, or you can cut it at an angle, and look how pretty the bow looks like. Okay, so now we take our bow and we're going to stick it onto our party pack. You can put it anywhere where it looks pretty for you. I've decided on putting it just underneath the label. Just hold it there for a couple of seconds so your glue sets. And there you go. Doesn't that look stunning? birthday clip art is part of the Mermaid birthday collection. This is such a nice little element to add to your birthday pack and just to make your party pack pop. There you go, one stunning party pack. Enjoy making your party packs. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button and look out for the next video, how to make stunning straw stands.